Let's go, tara, dito start. Yeah, start here, go back here, then end up there sa kabilang side. Okay, man. Yeah, no problem. So right now we're gonna simulate 150 meter Aquaman mass start. Ayan na sila. Okay, go na, anytime. Sige, I'll swim with you guys. Okay.